Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabreena Haque, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Students, today I am going to take a science class for class 1 student on the based on short note and true false. Dear students, the name of our short note for today is our sense organs. Come to the class. Dear students, look the picture. The boy is trying to hear something, and look this picture. This boy is trying to look something, that means seeing, and this boy is smelling something. These all are use our senses. The name of the short note is sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We can see things around us with our eyes. We can hear different sounds with our ears. We can breathe and smell with our nose. We can taste sweet, sour and bitter foods with our tongue. Our skin helps us to feel, and we should take care of our sense organs. Dear students, we will read the short note again. The name of the short note is sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. We can see things around us with our eyes. We can hear different sounds with our ears. We can breathe and smell with our nose. We can taste sweet, sour and bitter foods with our tongue. Our skin helps us to feel. We should take care of our sense organs. Now look the picture. This is the picture of our 5 sense organs. First, come to the eyes. We can see around things around us with our eyes. Now come to the second one. This is our ear. We can hear different types of sound with our ears. And this hand is shows for skin. We can feel everything with our skin. We can smell and breathe with our nose, and we can taste sweet, sour and bitter with our tongue. Dear students, now we will solve the true false. There is some statements we will find this one is correct or incorrect. If it is correct, we have to write here true, that means T, and if it is incorrect, we have to write F, that means false. We wear same clothes at different time. Dear students, this statement is incorrect because we don't wear same cloth at different times. We wear sweater in winter, we wear cotton cloth in summer, and we wear raincoat in rainy season. Now we will write here F. Dear student, next statement is food helps to grow and stay healthy. Yes student, this is correct statement because food really helps to grow and stay healthy. That's why we will write here true. Our next statement is our hands, legs, head, stomach and chest are our sense organ. Dear students, this statement is incorrect because our eyes, nose, skin and ear and tongue are our sense organs. So we will write here F. Next statement is we get sweet water from rivers. Dear students, this one is correct statement because we get sweet water from rivers. This will be D. Our last statement is seawater is salty. This statement also true because seawater really tastes salty. We will write here D. Dear students, here I have given some homework for you. This is your homework number 5 for your annual term, and you have to do the short note as your homework and you have to submit on Sunday. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the topics, abide by your parents, stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.